Most gorgeous animal. Like, how are we? What? How are we gonna? What are you doing? Are you scratching your body? He's like, oh, you're filming, are you? I don't come cheap. That's what he's saying. All right, I guess. So I was curious. Do you think that, like me and you... Oh, Jesus! You're attacking me! I'm asking you questions. And you're just going buck. So, are you coming too? Like, me and you? We're going... He's like, of course we are. What did you think was going to happen? Most gorgeous animal that ever existed is living the dream. Look at you. Unbelievable. I don't think there's any other pit bull that lives such an amazing existence as you. Look at you. Where did you find such a specimen? Alright, well. Oh yeah, you are coming too. Look at that. Look at that. What a beautiful animal. Unbelievable.